Here's why you should consider investing in WD Purple MicroSD cards for your security cameras. The microSD card is a marvel of storage. It's smaller than your thumbnail but can easily store gigabytes worth of data. Its small size makes it ideal for compact devices like smartphones, drones, action cameras, and security cameras. However, security cameras pose a very unique challenge to microSD cards. Unlike the other mentioned devices, security cameras record information continuously. As such, data is constantly being written on the card. Many standard cards aren't specifically designed for such use, and even some of WD's own retail cards do not cover usage in a surveillance or similar environment under the standard warranty. This is why you should consider a card that has been designed and tested for usage in a security camera. The WD Purple range of microSD cards have been specifically designed for use in surveillance equipment like security cameras. These microSD cards are specifically designed for 24/7 recording and come with advanced features like a 96-layer 3D NAND tech. The guys over at Western Digital are confident of their products and offer a 3-year limited warranty on their WD Purple microSD cards. Not only that, but these cards are also robust enough to support some extreme temperatures that range from -25 degrees Celsius to 85 degrees Celsius, which is more than enough for most climates. On top of this, these cards are also resistant to humidity, so they can also be used in tropical climates. One of the most useful features of the WD Purple microSD card when used with compatible cameras is the card health monitoring system that can constantly monitor the health of the card. This will help you keep track of your card's health and allow preemptive storage management. The WD Purple microSD card is available in multiple storage variants ranging from 32 GB all the way up to 512 GB. All WD Purple microSD cards are offered with full HD recording capabilities. Thanks to its robust nature and range of useful features, the WD Purple microSD card make for an ideal pairing with security cameras. As such, it's ideal for mainstream video surveillance cameras supporting on-camera storage, which is a microSD card slot, and for standalone recording or failover local storage in the event of network outage. Check out the link in the description to know more.